Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you 2nd November 2024 IELTS real exam prediction. So if you are going to appear in IELTS exam for listening, reading and writing, so please watch this video. If you are going to appear on 2nd November, then this video is very useful for you guys. So if you are looking for the prediction, so this is the right place for you all. So please come back again to see the predictions and your results too. But before that, if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe this channel, because here you can get all the opportunity of your predictions, and also you can get the answer keys, and also you can get your free speaking lessons. If you are looking for your English speaking practice for your speaking exam, then please consider to subscribe this IELTS Wisdom channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. The condition is only you need to subscribe this channel, and also share this channel link to your friends who is struggling for English learning and speaking, and also the students who is going to appear for their job interviews. So we are also preparing the students for the job interviews. So now let's get started with the listening. So very first, the listening. So listening part one is always fill-ups. So fill-ups is going to be easy this time. Part two is multiple choice question answers. So multiple choice question answers and or map always. So it's going to be easy. And if you're talking about part three, so part three is always multiple choice question answer and match the information. So match the information, and part three multiple choice question is also going to be easy. And part four is fill-ups. Fill-ups is also going to be easy. Means easy doesn't mean that you have to stop doing your practice for your IELTS exam, because sometimes it seems like easy, but you will kind of stuck in the exam. So the level of overall, if we talk about the level of this exam, will be easy, but it's fast. So fast means many students, they will stuck, sometimes they are stuck in their preparation wise. So if you want to be successful in the exam, then please do consider to practice hard for your IELTS listening exam, because its exam should be easy, you can find, but sometimes when the track is a little fast, then it will give some hard time to you to understand. So please, wherever you are practicing, if you are practicing in the under instructor or any institute you guys you had to join, and then please consider to ask them or consider to let them know, then they will give you the fast listening track. So in that way you can get your practice. Okay, so now move to the reading side. If you are looking for the reading prediction, so reading passage one is easy and little smoother. So passage one is always you consider that true false not given, and also sentence completion. So it's going to be easy, not too hard for you all this time. But passage two is also going to easy to moderate. Passage two is always considered as a list of headings, which paragraph contains the given information. So it's going to be easy to moderate, because sometimes you will get the confusion with the heading side. Because if you find, usually what we do when we are choosing the headings, we always look at the keywords, right? So if the keywords are confused you, then definitely it will be hard for you to definitely find the particular heading of the paragraph, right? So please work hard on your on your passage to list of headings. Passage 3, if we talk about, it's also going to be easy to moderate, because mostly passage 3 always there for completion of a sentence. They will give you this, and also they will give you the paragraph which is consider and yes or no answers. And also these type of yes or no or true false, these are simply matching or summary completion, right? So it's going to be easy to moderate. So please overall, if we talk about this reading, it's going to be moderate, means you can find the difficult time to get the answers for this reading. So please practice for your reading as much as you can. If you need my help, please shoot the message in the comment section. I will definitely help you out with that. Now let's move to the writing side. So writing is always, you need to be practice of your line trends or comparative graph compare, you can say compare or compare comparative graphs. So in their line bar table process combination is very very important in task 1. So please consider to practice as much as you can on this side of the on the task 1. For task 2 is important, a very very important topic is global warming, environment, crime, business, technology, government, animal, education, media, entertainment and social issues, children's, and work also, because now in these days in you can say the unemployment and jobs or recessions are also a big problem, right? So you need to work on that too. So now consideration of this side task 2, you need to work on your opinion discussions and advantages and disadvantages. So these are the important areas you need to work on there. So please consider to practice more and more. If you need my help in there, I am always available here to help you out. Please shoot me the message in the comment section, I will help you out. But before that, please consider to subscribe this channel, and I'm here your besties, so help you out whatever you need. But again, if you want to join me online Mondays and Tuesdays, I'm always online. So please stay with me, stick with me, and if you have any question, please send me there too. Thank you very much for watching this, and please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video and next prediction of your September 7th, sorry, November 7th exam. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care. Best of luck. I'll see you in the next video.